Hello, peace seekers. Welcome to this gratitude meditation, where we will take time for deep reflection and thanksgiving. The purpose of this practice is to emphasize the importance of giving thanks for the many blessings in our lives. Just spending a few minutes for positive thoughts and appreciation can greatly improve the rest of your day. So let's take some time to be intentional. Get comfortable, whether you're sitting at your workplace, lying down at home, or enjoying the great outdoors. Please feel free to find a fixed gaze or gently close your eyes. Now, with intention and focus, place your attention on your breath. Take full, deep belly breaths at your own pace. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Be aware of how it feels as the breath enters your nostrils and circulates throughout your respiratory system, feeding your cells, then gently exiting your mouth. Once again, inhale through your nose. Feel your belly and lungs expand. And at your pace, exhale. Notice how your body responds during this process. Are there any places in your body that need a bit more attention or affection? If so, allow those parts of your body to relax and release. Know that it's okay for you to take time for stillness, thankfulness, and appreciation. If your mind wanders, simply picture the thoughts casually floating by, leading you back to your breath. Your breath is your anchor. Your breath is your comfort. Your breath is your place of peace. Now allow yourself to feel completely at ease from the crown of your head down your spine, all the way to your toes. Consider the things you are grateful for. Are there people, places, or things that come to mind at this very moment? Why are you grateful for them? What feelings come up when you reflect upon them? Allow feelings of positivity and goodness to reverberate throughout your body during this moment of deep reflection and gratitude. Take a few more breaths of intention. Inhale at your own pace, then slowly exhale and release. Repeat the process. Now consider what you can do today that can allow these feelings of gratitude to flourish and grow. Perhaps you can write in a journal, listen to music, spend quality time with loved ones, or participate in another activity that brings you joy. You have full control, and you decide how your day will unfold. Don't overthink. Just simply keep your plans simple and realistic. Focus on what you want to do to keep joyful Zen feelings at the center of your heart. You are free to look forward to these activities as your day continues to unfold. Now feel free to take a few deep breaths, slow and controlled, at your own pace. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Now, let's say these words aloud. I allow thoughts of gratitude to enter my heart and mind. I am a creature of peace, positivity, and appreciation. I am thankful for my mind, body, and soul. I allow deep gratitude and appreciation to reverberate through my spirit. My body receives nourishment from blessings bestowed upon me. I will attract good vibrations through positive thoughts and random acts of kindness. I am sending thoughts of love and positive energy to everyone I encounter today. Now feel free to gently flutter your eyes open and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for participating in this meditation. I hope it helps you feel a deep sense of appreciation and gratitude for your body, breath, and beloved loved ones. Love and light.